Hi there, I'm Daniel Bermudez and I'm going to talk about a real interesting film, Tardigrades, also known as water bears. The size of these protostome metazoos varies a lot among different species, uh, zero point 0.1 millimeters to 1.5 millimeters. They have a cylindrical shaped like body, in which the ventral side is flattened and the dorsal side is a bit convex. They have five segments, cephalic one, three truncal, and one posterior. Each segment ends up in a pair of legs, in which each one has 4 to 8 claws or disc structures made up from chitin, and chitin is also found all over their body in an external cuticle that it's also found in arthropods. They have to change frequently this cuticle, and this is like a main characteristic of the Ecdysozoa. We can see here a pair of eyes, a simple nervous system in green, digestive system in pink, some reproductive organs, and muscular tissues. Here we can see a stylus, which they use to pierce tissues, and then they use the pharynx to suck the fluids they feed from other organisms, detritus, and plant cells. They are oviparous, and some of them are dioic. Sometimes the eggs are fertilized inside the ovary, and sometimes the eggs are fertilized by the male inside an old cuticle that a female left behind. They can put like up to 30 eggs at a time. They are euthelic organisms. This means that they have a constant number of cells uh, since they die to the dead until the dead. Tardigrades are hydrophilic. This means that they can be found easily on salty or freshwater ecosystems, and even in thin water films on rocks, wood, or plants. They can be found in all the five continents and in a lot of places, and this is because they have a really good resistance and resilience. They can withstand thawed environments and extreme conditions, very high temperature, very low temperature, very high pressure, radiation, uh, salt changes, dehydration, and even vacuum in space. When conditions are rough, they use a lot of tricks, but the main one is the cryptobiosis state, in which they become like a ball that isolates them while they freeze their metabolism until the conditions get better again. These can take days or even years. They really represent the limits of life.